back to another video, and today I'm gonna clear some doubts regarding TMI application form which were asked to me in the comment section of that video. Recently I uploaded a video on TMI application form, so there was a lot of doubt, and again there were many cadets who were asking in my batch about these doubts and even on my Telegram group also. So I'm gonna clear every doubt. Like I've got some 5 to 6 doubts which is very common in every aspirant, so definitely I'm gonna clear everything. So the very first doubt is, it is very common because TMI has released their application form very early, in January only, as they release their usually they release their form in March, but this time it is in January. That's why many cadets are asking, is it for February batch? But TMI has only one batch for DNS. If you are continuous on my channel, then you definitely know about this, that TMI has only one batch for DNS, which is August batch. So definitely this is for August batch only. Even in that video also I have stated many times that TMI has only one batch and that is for August batch only. So this is very clear that it is not for February batch, it is for August batch. And now the second doubt is, what is the perfect time to fill the form? So as TMI has released the form very early and in January only, so there were many cadets who were asking that is it perfect time to fill the form, because as you have told that as soon as you will fill the form for sponsorship you will get benefited. But for this time I will definitely say you have got an ample amount of time to fill the application form, because the last date for the application form is 31st May. This is somewhere around, you have got 5 months to fill the form, and even there are many appearing cadets can fill the form. So you guys have got enough time to fill the form. Even if you'll fill it in the March, once your admit card for board exam will come, or even in April, then it is okay, because the company will start coming in March end or in April first week. So definitely you have got ample amount of time. So yes, you can fill the form right now also, and yes, if you are filling right now, then you have to wait till March or April to company to come in the institute, and you will get shortlisted for them. And if you are filling for in the March and in April, then definitely you have to not wait, because there are many cadets who are just filling the form and start asking me, sir, when the company will come, when the company will come. So it is of no sense that company will start coming in March and April only, and TMI has released the form very early because they have to fill the BSc and BTech candidates also. That's why they have released the form very early. So yes, if you're filling right now for DNS, then you have to wait till March and April normally. So better fill in March or maybe in April. And the third doubt is, what about the registration number of class 12? So in academic section there is a column of what you have to put your registration number of your class 12th in application form, and it is a mandatory field. So those who are pass out candidate, those who have completed their 12th in 2021-2019, so they have their registration number, they can fill it and they can fill the form. But those who are appearing candidates, I can say please wait till March and April. Once you'll get your admit card, please fill it after that only. And yes, this fourth number doubt is very important. What about the IMU CT registration number? There is a column of IMU CT registration number, and there were many cadets asking me, sir, can we fill the registration number of IMU CT 2021? But clearly it is this application form is for August 2022 batch, so you cannot put your registration number of CT 2021 here, because it is a new batch and you will get a new registration number, and you have to clear your CT 2022 again just to get a sponsorship. So yes, you cannot put your registration number of IMU CT 2021 in here, this application form. So yes, just put dot 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 or 000 for now, and once you'll get the registration number in May, so you can fill it again. And the fifth doubt is, can we apply without a sponsorship? So answer for this is yes, you can apply without a sponsorship, and for this you have to understand the selection process of TMI. So watch the video till the end. I have covered the selection process of TMI in the end. And the question number 6 was asked to me many times, when the exam will be conducted for TMI admission, as we are already done with application form. So TMI do not conduct any kind of screening test. You just have to fill the application form, then there will be no TMI admission exam or interview. For DNS, for BSc and BTech there is TMI set, but for DNS there is no screening test and interview. You just have to sit directly for the company's test, interview and medical. And to understand this, you guys have to understand the admission process of TMI. The admission process of TMI is you guys are filling the application form, and through application form what data you guys are filling there, it is collected to TMI. Means TMI has your database like your PCM percentage and all the required information you are filling there. And then once the company will start arriving, there will be few companies who have their external forms like WSM, Scorpio, and there are many companies who has their internal forms. Means they will not release any kind of application form, they will just approach TMI and will collect database of students from there. And if you are meeting the eligibility criteria of that particular company, you will be contacted through mail or maybe even phone calls. And the best thing about TMI here is they will notify you regarding your internal form and as well as external forms also. If any company is releasing their external form, then definitely TMI is going to send you mail regarding that this is the link from where you can fill the form of that this particular company. And after that, once you will be starting with your application process through company will take your test, then your interview, then your medicals, and then company will wait for your IMUCT rank. Once you will get a IMUCT rank, perfect IMUCT rank, then you will be provided a sponsorship letter from that company, and then company will send your name to TMI that this cadet I have selected from your database or maybe externally also. So I have selected this candidate, please send him the application admission letter and everything related to fee and everything. So you will get the admission letter from TMI. So this is the admission process of TMI. And again let me explain it in Hindi also, so for your better understanding. So जो एडमिशन प्रोसेस होता है TMI का, उसमें आप सबसे पहले एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल करते हो, और एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म के थ्रू आपका डेटाबेस कलेक्ट हो जाता है TMI के पास। आपका जितना भी इन्फॉर्मेशन एडमिशन फॉर्म में आप एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में फिल कर रहे हो, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन उनके पास चला जाता है। एंड देन कंपनीज आनी शुरू करती हैं। तो कुछ कंपनीज होते हैं जैसे WSM है, स्कॉर्पियो, दे रिलीज देयर एक्सटर्नल फॉर्म, मीन्स उनका एक्सटर्नली आपको फॉर्म फिल करना पड़ता है। तो उसका भी इन्फॉर्मेशन TMI आपको दे देगा कि दिस इज़ द लिंक, आप यहाँ जाओ इस लिंक पे और यू कैन फिल द फॉर्म ऑफ WSM, स्कॉर्पियो, जो भी है, जो भी एक्सटर्नल फॉर्म रिलीज़ कर रही है, बस यही दो कंपनी नहीं है, और भी हैं। तो आप वहाँ जाकर उनका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल कर दोगे और फिर आपका जो भी कांटेक्ट होगा वो डायरेक्ट कंपनी से होगा, इफ़ यू विल बी एलिजिबल। अगर एलिजिबल हो गए तभी कांटेक्ट होगा। और जो कुछ कंपनीज़ हैं जो एक्सटर्नली फॉर्म रिलीज़ नहीं करती हैं, दे डायरेक्ट अप्रोच टू TMI, डायरेक्ट TMI से डेटाबेस लेती हैं इफ़ दे वांट टू सेलेक्ट कैडेट्स। तो वहाँ से वो डेटाबेस उठाती हैं, और जो डेटाबेस में उनका एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, लाइक कंपनी हैज़ देयर ओन एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, अगर उनका एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया आप का रिक्वायरमेंट कंप्लीट कर रहे हो तो देन डेफिनेटली दे विल कॉन्टैक्ट यू थ्रू मेल और मे बी फ़ोन नंबर। तो जो मेल और फ़ोन नंबर होता है ना एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में, वो हमेशा सही देना, क्योंकि वही एक ज़रिया होता है जिसके थ्रू आपको कंपनी और या फिर जो TMI वो आपको कॉन्टैक्ट करेगा। तो यहाँ से फिर कंपनी का प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाएगा। TMI से आपका फिर कुछ नहीं होगा, फिर कंपनी आपका टेस्ट लेती है। देन अगर कंपनी आपका टेस्ट में आप पास हो जाते हो, देन आपका इंटरव्यू होता है। देन इंटरव्यू के बाद आपका मेडिकल होता है, एंड आफ्टर मेडिकल कंपनी विल वेट फॉर योर IMUCT रैंक। आपको IMUCT क्लियर करना पड़ेगा, जो कि अभी मई, जून या जुलाई में जब भी होगा, तो फिर IMUCT आपको क्लियर करना पड़ेगा विद द गुड रैंक। और फिर आपका वो जो रैंक है आप कंपनी को सेंड करोगे मेल के थ्रू दैट यू हैव गॉट दिस मेल दिस रैंक, देन डेफिनेटली आपको स्पॉन्सरशिप लेटर मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि वो आखिरी प्रोसेस होता है, प्रोसेस का आखिरी पार्ट होता है कि आप IMUCT में एक रैंक पा लिए तो आपको स्पॉन्सरशिप लेटर मिल जाता है कंपनी से। फिर कंपनी आपका जो नेम होता है वो TMI को भेज देती है कि यस दिस कैंडिडेट हैड बीन सेलेक्टेड, और ये है उसका स्पॉन्सरशिप लेटर। तो स्पॉन्सरशिप लेटर देखने के बाद आपका एडमिशन लेटर तैयार होता है TMI से, और वो आपको एडमिशन लेटर देते हैं और बाकी फ़ी डिटेल वगैरह जो भी होता है, और आपका एडमिशन प्रोसेस यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो जाता है, आप एडमिशन ले लेते हो TMI में। So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope I have covered all the doubt related to TMI application form admission process जो भी था। अगर कोई डाउट और रह गया हो तो you can ask it in the comment section, और please like this video if you found this video useful, and please subscribe the channel for more interesting video. Thank you for watching this video.